Crown of thorns starfish and its impact on Australia. The crown of thorns starfish, Acanthiasta pensilia, in a brief overview. The crown of thorns starfish are the second largest starfish in the world. It can grow to be over 1/2 metre wide. The crown of thorns starfish exclusively eats corals as a mature adult, eating as much as 10 square metres per year. The crown of thorns starfish has few natural predators. It can produce up to 50 million eggs during a breeding season. The crown of thorns starfish naturally is found on reefs throughout the Indo-Pacific region. Environmental impacts. Since 1962, the starfish outbreaks have impacted many reefs that make up the Great Barrier Reef. They are a major cause of coral loss after coral bleaching. The starfish's larvae populations dramatically increase when phytoplankton, which they feed upon, becomes more abundant. This phytoplankton is normally in low numbers in a reef waters. They increase is thought to be the result of cyclonic floods and monsoonal rains that carry agricultural fertilizers and other pollutants into the coral reef lagoon. Being a voracious coral predator, they are a significant threat to the well-balanced ecosystem of coral reefs. When severe outbreaks occur, numbers often exceed 1,000 animals per hectare, and this can destroy a reef in weeks. In Australian waters, outbreaks are believed to begin in the north and migrate in a southerly direction over a 15-year period, with the ocean currents transporting the larvae between the reefs. After an outbreak, healthy reefs take between 10 and 20 years to recover. This is without the environmental stresses like coral bleaching occurring. Combined with poor water quality and cyclones, a reef may never fully recover before another outbreak occurs. Current forms of control. The Crown of Thorns Starfish program was established in 2012. It uses dedicated vessels and crews to manually cull starfish numbers using either bile salts or vinegar. A biodegradable chemical is also injected. Each starfish may take up to 20 injections. A single injection chemical is currently being tested and investigated. Surveillance and monitoring are also key weapons in controlling the starfish. The goal is to protect coral in marine parks. This will be achieved by reducing and maintaining the starfish numbers to a manageable level. Landholders also have a role to play by helping reduce agricultural runoff containing the fertilizers that cause the food source and the larvae stage of the starfish to increase in numbers. As with any project, timing is a key thing. Control the initial food source to limit the growth of larval numbers. Cull the adults before they have a chance to breed. Educate people on the current crisis and how the choices that they make now have an impact. And employing environmentally sustainable solutions to limit impacts on the food chain and habitats of the marine diversity. References here have been ABC, the Australian Institute of Marine Science, the Queensland Government, Living Oceans Foundation and the Australian Government Great Barrier Marine Park. Thank you.